the cities of Eugene and Springfield, Oregon. The National Weather Service in Portland has issued a tornado warning for Central Lane County in northwestern Oregon until 3 p.m. At 1:58 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado near Newcastle. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for the Eugene and Springfield metro. In addition to a tornado, large destructive hail up to tennis ball size is expected with this storm. Locations impacted include Eugene, Springfield, Pleasant Hill, Creswell, Cottage Grove, and Concord. Precautionary/preparedness actions. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation.